Hello, David here, and the project for today is repairing a cell phone. This is a T Mobile phone. The model's called the Revvl, R-E-V-V-L-L. What's been going on here? It's working, but as you can see, the case is jacked out, and I think it's because the battery is bulged, and that could start into a fire, and that could be dangerous. Could even explode. These phones are pretty much disposable. The batteries are not replaceable. They're wired in. Let's open it up and see what we have here. So this case is glued on. It looks like they're using a butyl rubber. There's a ribbon connector there. So this phone is only 3 years old. It was manufactured in May of 2021. Yeah, I think this thing was glued in. Let me see if I can find a replacement. What's the number on this? I found the model number. It's TLP043E1. It's a 3.85 volt, 4,500 milliamps. And the ones that I could find are in China, and it takes 3 to 5 weeks to get here. I'm checking around locally to see if anyone has them in stock. Let's clear things up. The battery is not hardwired or soldered in. It's held in with one snap connector. You saw me disconnect 2 connectors, but I only needed to disconnect the one connector that was on the left. Okay, I searched high and low for a replacement battery and could find nothing. Only battery I could find is online, and they're all in China. Shipping time is anywhere from 3 to 4 weeks, and I could wait 3 to 4 days, but I can't wait 3 to 4 weeks. So my wife reminded me that she thought the battery was on a maintenance plan at T Mobile, and I checked, and it is. So they're going to fix it for free. And another thing, the battery is not glued in. It's held in with a pressure-sensitive adhesive. That makes a big difference because that adhesive could be reused. I'm at the T Mobile mothership, and they told me that they can't just replace the battery. They got to replace the whole phone. But they're going to upgrade me from a Revvl 5G to a Revvl 6G because the 5Gs aren't available. And I'm just going to have to pay a $5 fee for the courtesy. So here's my replacement camera. Came in 2 days, and they don't have any Revvl 5s anymore, so they upgraded me to a Revvl 6. I guess there was nothing else they can do. In the long run, I had to buy a service agreement in order to get warranty coverage, and first they quoted $18 a month, and that was based on a non-planned phone, so they discovered this phone's in the plan, so That comes to $8 a month. The phone is a little bit different. It has this dialog box at the top, not the bottom, and it can't be moved. Other than that, it's an okay phone. I did lose my WhatsApp files, so when I transferred WhatsApp to this phone, all my WhatsApp messages got lost, and I have to repopulate those. So all in all, I proved that you can change a battery in these Revvl series phones, but since they're not available, or they're not readily available, it's a 4 to 5 week ship time. Who wants to wait that long? You pretty much are stuck taking it to T Mobile, and they won't swap the battery out. They want you to get another phone. And even though the specs are very similar, this size is different. That's my old case. I did a review on this. I don't remember who made it. I really liked it a lot. It was very durable, but it hasn't held up. The hard plastic parts, they are broken. I was going to buy another one, and then I found out they don't make them anymore. But you could see the new phone is taller. Width-wise, it's about the same, but it's too tall, so I have to get another case. That's going to be another video. And if you remember, if you watch my channel, I made this Kydex holster for it, and I molded it to fit these knobs on there to hold it in, and it was great. Very secure. So that's going to be another video. I got to see if I can remold this by heating it and molding it again. That'll be for another video. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.